So in this exercise 13.2, we'll focus on the questions related to the cylinder. So you know the what is the formula volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. You know the formula of the volume of cylinder, pi r square h. If you have a hollow cylinder, then the formula of the volume of the cylinder will be pi h capital R square minus small r square. Correct, Dhoni? If we have a hollow cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Then if you talk about curved surface area or lateral surface area, if you talk about curved surface area or lateral surface area, this is for hollow cylinder. When you talk about curved surface area or lateral surface area, the usual formula is 2 pi RH. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if I talk about hollow cylinder, then the total curved surface area, the total curved surface area is equal to 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi capital RH. So this is the total curve surface area. If I talk about total surface area, if I talk about total surface area for a
So
solid,
2 pi r plus h.
to 2 pi r plus h. While if I talk about hollow cylinder, total surface area in case of hollow cylinder, your formula will be 2 pi h, then capital R plus small r plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Here if I take 2 pi, here if I take 2 pi capital R plus small r common, so then I will get is h plus capital R minus small r. That is the total surface area of a hollow cylinder. Correct, Navin? So we
Yes, sir.
formula. So we discussed about volume. We talked about curved surface area, or the other name of curved surface area is lateral surface area. Okay, and yeah, so this was for solid cylinder. Then we talk about this is curved surface area for solid cylinder, and this is for hollow cylinder. This is for hollow cylinder. Then total surface area. Okay, then total surface area for a hollow cylinder. All that we require to solve the problems here. So basically, if you see, there's one solved example is there, which you can do very easily. This one, example 3, Dhoni.
Yes, sir.
Just increase the font size. Too much. This. So they're given you the radius as
So 550 centimeter square.
okay. So they're given you the radius as 3.5 centimeter. Length is centimeter. No need of any conversion. We'll simply use
Yes, so 2 into 22 by 7
pi
into
RH.
3.5 into
We'll get
25.
550 centimeters square. Here for solving this 13.2 problems, we need to take pi as 22 by 7. So you
Okay, sir.
remember, Dhoni, 22 by 7 is a rational number. Pi is a irrational number. We assume this as 22 by 7. In reality, it is
Okay, sir.
22 by 7. So Dhoni, in term of diameter, what would be the formula of a curved surface area
Uh,
in term of diameter? So if I talk in the term of diameter, this is the formula in term of radius. We know that 2r means diameter. So in time of diameter, the formula would
Sir, pi
be dh.
pi dh. Yes, sir.
So pi is 22 by 7. H is,
Sir, 2 centimeter.
yeah. So pi into 2, 44. 88 divided by 44, 2.
2. Yes, sir.
It would be 2 centimeter. So why should we find first radius, then we'll find diameter? There's no point. Question number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and the base radius 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet required for the same? So we'll need to find the area. Here we'll find total area. The curved surface area plus the area of the base. So 2 pi r plus h in bracket.
Sir, R is 0.7 meter.
R you need in meter. Yeah, yeah. Of course. Fine.
70 centimeters. So
Correct. So 0.7 meter.
meter. Yes, sir. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 into
Hmm.
0.7. Bracket में 0.7 plus 1.
Hmm.
So the answer come in decimals.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Obviously.
7.48 square meters, sir.
7.48. Okay, so we can. I think that would be correct only. Fine. Then third one. So we know the formula of hollow cylinder. Inner curved surface area 2 pi small RH. Outer curved surface area 2 pi capital RH. Total surface area 2 pi h capital R plus small r plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. So height is given 77 centimeter. Inner diameter so is 4 centimeter. So inner radius would be 2 centimeter and outer
Yes, sir. So the curved
2
surface area will be
centimeter.
2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 77.
Hmm.
Okay, or 777 get cancelled to 22 into 4 into 2, 88 into. So 968 centimeters square.
Correct.
We have to find the outer curved surface area.
So that 2
2 pi r square h.
22 by 7 into 22.2 you can write 22 by 10 into 77. 77 and 7 we can cancel.
Sure, the answer come in decimals.
Again decimals.
Yes, sir.
Big is it? So 2 into 2 we can do that. 2 into 22 by 7 pi r is given to 22 by 10 into h. H is 77. No?
Yes, sir.
H is 77. So I can write this as 11.
11. Yes, sir.
Leave that 10, don't disturb 10. That will help actually in calculation. 22 square is 484. Correct, na? Into 2 into 11.
11 by
Divide
10.
by 10. So 484, if you multiply with 2, you'll get 16. 968 into 11 by 10. 968, how will you write? Like 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 15. With
15.
9 plus 6, 15. Write 5, 1 carry. 8 plus 6, 14. Write 4, 1 carry. And then you write 8. So this would be 8, 4, 6, 1, 0. So and divide by 10. So 1064.8
Yes, sir.
square. Here, unnecessary if we cancel, so again, then I have to divide by 5 at the end. So it's better that I divide by 10. Multiplying by 2 is easier. Total surface area, see, you will use this formula. Total surface area, we can use this formula for the hollow cylinder. Just a calculation, you can do anyway. If you want, you do. Otherwise, we'll go to the other question.
Sir, I'll do it. Sir, it's again coming in decimals.
Already, we found no inner curve surface area and outer curve surface area. No need to find it again. We'll simply find 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. So 2 pi 2.2 square minus 2 square. So we'll find
Sure.
and we'll add with the inner and outer curve surface area.
Yes, sir. The answer come 2038.08.
Okay, that would be correct. Simply calculation we need to do. Fourth one, the diameter is given 84, length is given 120. So it takes 500 complete revolution. So I'll find the curved surface area 2 pi RH and 2 pi or pi DH. Pi DH I'll apply 80.
So 31680
Okay, so 31680 centimeter square.
centimeters square. Yes, sir.
Then I'll multiply with 500. So that would be the area of the playground in meter square. A meter square they want, guys. So we'll divide by 10 to the power 4 because the answer what you will get in centimeter square. So this data is in centimeter. So 2 pi RH. So pi DH. So 22 into 12 into 120. 22 into 1440. 22 into 1440 into 500 divided by 10,000. 500 into, so this will be 20, denominator will be 20. So 22 into 1440 divided by 20. 1440 divided by 20, that would be I think 72. 22 into 72, is it 144? 144. What you will get the answer? Fourth one. I don't think so. You'll get in this. 144.
Not decimal, sir. It will be
144.
1584. 1584 meter square.
144. 144. 144. So you will get 1584 meters
Yes,
square.
sir. Meter square.
Cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. So we'll convert this 50 centimeter into meter. 50 centimeter means 1 by 2 meter. So radius will be 1 by 4 meter. Cost of painting the curved surface area. Let it be 1 by 2 meter. 1 by 2 into 3.5 into 22 by 7. At 12.5. 12.5 you can write 25 by 2. Curve surface area they just want paint. So curve surface area is 2 pi RH into 25 by 2 you can do. 12.5 you can write 25 by 2.
So the fifth one I'm getting in decimals again.
1 by 2 into 22 by 7 is, are you decimal? 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 into,
So I'm getting rupees 68.75.
is it? So 3.5, I can write 7 by 2. This I can write 25 by 2. Okay, 7 will get cancelled. This is 11. Yeah, so 11 into 25 by 4. Yeah, so 100. Okay, fine. 11 to 25 is 275. 275 by 4. How much you're getting? 6 fours are 24, 35. 35 means 8s are 68.75, is it? Dhoni?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
6 1 curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is this 2, 2 pi RH is given. Find radius of base adjustment. Yeah, simple. Simple question. Some questions are very simple. Radius is given, that also in meter they are given. Height we need to find. Divide by 2.2. 2.2, this is 22 by 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. 22 by 10 and 22 by 10 here. 2.2. 22 by 7. 4.4 radius of the base curve surface 2 pi RH 2 into 22 by 7 into R. R is given to you. How much R? R is 0.7. You can write 7 by 2 into H is equal to 4.4. You can write as 44 by 10. This and this get cancelled. This get cancelled. 1. You'll get 1 meter. 6 1 Dhoni.
Yes, sir. Seventh one, the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find its inner curved surface area.
2 pi small RH or pi small dH. And we'll multiply that with
2
4.
into 22 by 7 into 1.75 into 10. So, 35 go. So 110, the first one.
Then we'll multiply that by with 40. 100.
Yes, sir. So 4400.
4400
Yes,
rupees.
sir.
8 1 in a hot water heating system, there's a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Both okay, one in meter, another one in centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. So here they use the word total, and then they're asking total radiating surface. So radiating base and all not gonna radiate. So we need to find 2 pi RH only. So there with the total we'll get confused. So there's a hot water heating system is there. So so basically they have solar panels. No? Solar panels we don't put on the base. We'll only put over the surface. So the here they actually we need to find 2 pi RH. Diameter is given. So pi dH. So 22 by 7 into
So
28.
4.4 meters square.
22 by 7 into 28. So if they want in meter square or centimeter square, that they have not given. So 22 by 7 we'll find in meter square into 28 into pi dh into 5 by 100. 5 centimeter. This will convert 4. This is what 20, 24, 40, 4.4 meters square.
Yes, sir.
Find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylinder. Closed cylinder means that both the bases are there. And the lateral curve surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. So pi dh 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 4.5. 42 will go by 7. So 4.5 I can write as 9 by 2 if I want. So 22 by 7, 22 by 7 into 42 by 10. If I want, I can write this as 9 by 2. 4.5. Lateral or curved surface area. This is 6. This is 3. So 22 into 27 by 10. 27 2 is 54. 54. 49. 59.4 meter square, I guess. What answer you got, Dhoni?
So the ninth one, I got 59.4 meters square.
Yeah, correct. I also got the same.
And the second one is how much steel was actually used?
We used if 1 by 12th of the steel actually used was wastage in making the steel. How much steel? So from the steel they are making the tank, okay, and in that 1 by 12 got wasted. So with 11 by 12 they made the tank. So first we'll find the total surface area. Total curved surface area already we found. Then we'll find the area of base. So area of base would be 2 pi into r 2 pi r square. So r for this is 2.1. R is 2.1, 21 by 10 into 21 by 10, 2 pi r square. So this is 3 this is 3 and then anything else will cancel, nothing else. In geometer you have 100, 22 2 44 and 21 3 will be 63, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 63 4 12, 252, 252, 77, 27.72 is the area of base and 59.4 is the lateral surface area. So total surface area will be 87.12 meters square if I'm not wrong. So total surface area will be 87.12 meters square. What they're telling, how much steel does they require if 1 by 12 steel got wasted? Only with 11 by 12 part of steel, whatever the steel they had, only 11 by 12 of that they use actually to make this and resultant in the manufacturing of 87.12 meters square of the tank. So let me check if it go by 11. 7s are so 101, 9s are 9s are no 101, 99, 2s are 7.92. So this will be 7.92 into 2 meters square. 7.92 into 12, 792, 2s are 4s are 18, 1s are 15, 1584, and this is 792. So 4, 10, 15, 9, 2 decimal, 95.04 meters square.
Yes, sir.
Then next question, 10th one, figure 13.12, you see the frame of the lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has the base diameter 20 centimeter, okay, and the length and the height for 30 centimeter. So base diameter is 20, height is 30. A margin of 2.5 meters to given for the folding it over the top and bottom. So 2.5 top, 2.5 bottom. So the height will become 35 and the diameter is 20. Find how much cloth is required it for covering the lampshade. So how much cloth is required to covering the lampshade? So here we'll find total surface area or curved surface area. The frame is the base and the margin of the so the height is 35, radius is 10. The question comes, we know we have to find the area, how much cloth is required. So perimeter, they ask how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. 2 pi r and then h. Pi r square. What did we do here? Oh, decorative
So
frame.
2200 centimeter square.
So how you did 2 pi rh or total surface area?
So
Like
2 pi RH.
2 pi r for the circumference and h for the height. One minute. Let me just understand. This is lampshade. Okay, the lampshade is not covered, no, from top. If it covers from top, it will be, yeah, it will be hollow, no. Yeah, so 2 pi RH will work. Yeah, so 2 pi RH diameter is given pi dh. Use the formula pi dh. So 22 by 7 into 35 into 20. 22 by 7, 35 and 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 5 into 20. 22 into 5 into 20 means 2200. How much you got?
So 2200.
2200, correct. Yeah. The student of Vidyalaya, which is school, they were asked to participate in competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of cylinder with the base using cardboard. Cylinder with a base is there. Pen holder. अच्छा, pen holder है तो hollow, no? From top.
Yes, sir. So it will
That
be
would be
2
2
pi
pi
RH
RH
plus
plus pi
pi
r square.
R square. Yes, sir.
The Vidyalaya was to supply the competition with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard required? So we'll apply that formula. 2 pi RH plus pi r
Pi R square.
into 35.
Yes, sir.
How much answer you got, Dhoni?
So 7920 centimeter square.
So 105 by 10 into 3. Okay. 2 pi RH plus pi r square into 35. Correct, Dhoni? So the
Yes, sir.
center part is done. We'll talk about cone. When we'll talk about cone, cone. Okay, fine. Dhani, talking about cone, what is the formula of volume of cone when we talk about cone? Volume of cone.
So the volume of cone is pi R square at 1 by 3 pi R square H.
Always remember, Dhani, that 3 times of the volume of cone is the volume of cylinder. So always lateral surface area of curved surface area,
So pi RL.
IRL, in term of height and radius, Dhani. In term of height and radius, Dhani, formula.
So
What is L, Dhani? L is under root of h square plus r square. Pythagoras theorem.
yes, sir.
So this will be pi r under root of h square plus r square.
Okay, sir.
This is called slant height. L is called slant height. 1 minute, Dhani. So here L is this is called L is called slant height. This is h. This is r. So the lateral surface area is pi r under root of h square plus r square. Then total surface area
So the total surface area of a cone is pi R L plus R.
pi l r l plus
pi r and
Acha,
pi
in
r
bracket you're
common,
taking.
L
Okay,
plus
okay.
r. Yes, sir.
I got scared, frankly speaking. Bracket L plus R. ठीक है. Volume we know, lateral surface area I know, we know, total surface area we know. And next thing, Dhoni, this is called fructrum. This will come 10th standard for you. This we call as fructrum. Formula is there in books and all. In 10th, I told you, know, in Karnataka board, they asked the formula only. What is, can you write something like in English? Write the volume of the fructrum. That question comes, actually, you'll not believe. So fructrum and all, there's formula and all is there. I can show you. But always remember, whenever we talk about any question, if it come on fructrum, we just need to use the concept of similar triangle. We need to use the concept of similar triangle. So this volume would be the volume of bigger pi r square 1 by 3 pi square. So bigger r square h1 something h or something capital H minus small r square h. So with this, like, bigger cone minus smaller cone, if you do, we'll get the fructrum, all the properties of fructrum. And we remember, we should need to use the concept of similar triangles and all. So this volume formula, total surface area formula, everything we can do on the basis of that. If you require for 9th standard, it's not required for us to know about the concept of fructrum. This all is easy. This will do. Sixth one will do. It look good. A cone hub shaped somewhat like a cone has a radius of its broadest end as 2.1 centimeter. Radius is 2.1 centimeter. Height is 20 centimeter. Okay, fine. Then if each 1 centimeter square of the surface of the cob carries an average of 4 grain, so we'll find first the area and we'll multiply with 4. Find how many grains would you find in the entire cob. So here we'll find the curved surface area only, no, Dhoni? Because at the end and all, they I don't think.
Yes, sir.
So we'll find pi RL. So when we use pi RL, then you see height is given 20 and radius is given 2.1. So
So
finding
L will be root of r square plus h square.
that we know. Only thing I'm worried about, that is a perfect square or not. So
Sir, no, it's not. It'll come in decimals.
is it, that's what
Yes, sir.
actually I was thinking. So R is 2.1 centimeter and H is how much? 20 or what?
20.
20. So that is only was my concern. So L is under root of H square plus R square. So L is equal to under root 400 plus 2.1 square matlab 24.41. So L is equal to 404.41. So we'll find the square root of this 404.41. So 2224. This 4 get cancelled, 04. This is decimal.
Point 1. So 1.
So 441. So it will go by 1. No? 1.
Yes, sir.
So
To,
we get to, yeah,
20.11, sir.
20.11. So we'll get the L 20.11 centimeter. So we'll got the L as 20.11 centimeter. And once we get this, we'll find the lateral surface area pi RL 22 by 7 into R is 21 by 10 into 21 by 100. So this is 3 then this is 66 into 2011 by 1000. So we'll find the lateral surface area and then we'll multiply that with 4. So if I ask you total cone, so the total cone only they want us know. So that is 66 into 2011 into 4 by 1000. So 66 forza will be 264 if I'm not wrong, into 2011 by 1000. 2011 by 264 we can do very easily. 4408. Then this will be 66012. Then this will be half of that, 4022. 4022. This is 4, 10, 9, 10, 3, 5 divide by 1000, 3 decimal 1, 2, 3. around 531. I hope so. There's no calculation mistake. Around 4 corner, around 530. Yeah, 530. First one, Dhoni.
Oh, yes, sir.
Unit always, Dhoni, na, in area and volume chapter, no, always first thing you see is unit. Okay, diameter in centimeters, slant height in centimeters, fine, no problem. Always unit. In term of diameter, Dhoni, what is the formula of curved surface area of a cone? So the general formula of the
Pi RL.
pi RL. So if you, in place of radius only, if you write diameter, then R is equal to D by 2. So,
Yes, sir.
so then your formula will become pi DL by 2.
Yes, sir.
Simply, just like that. Because always know, if you notice in all questions, they are talking the term of diameter only.
So 165 centimeter square.
Okay, no decimals and all. Okay, great. Thank God decimal does not come. Because simply, they should give, question is good. They made very good question. But unnecessary, they should not make in decimals. Find the total surface area of cone, slant height 21. So diameter is total surface area. Do you require H here? Pi RL plus pi R square. You don't need H. Nothing to worry. Pythagoras theorem follows or not follow, no problem.
22 by 7 into 12 into bracket 21
In
plus
bracket
12.
21 plus 20
Plus
is
12.
45.
So it'll come in decimals again.
Again, it will be 2 by 7. Then 45 into pi RL plus pi R square. So pi RL. So you took pi R common, L plus R. So 22 by 7 into 12. Yeah, 7 is not going.
Yes, sir.
2 by 7 into 12 into 45. Correct.
So 1244.57 meters square.
Okay. Third one is curved surface area of a cone is this, means pi RL is 308. Slant height is 14. So slant height is 14. So 14 into 22 by 7 means 44. So 44, R is 380.
So
308.
308 by
So
44.
308 by 40.
40.
So 4 के टेबल में 8 कहाँ आता है?
7.
7 में आता है. So
7.
radius will be 7. Total surface area. So total surface area में क्या होगा? 22 by 7 into 7. 7 7 कट गया. 22 बचा. 22 और 14 plus 7 21. 22 into 21 मतलब 441 plus 21 मतलब
462.
हाँ सही है. 4 10 मीटर है. रेडियस भी ठीक है, मीटर में दिया है. ठीक है. सो धोनी, अगर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम 24 और 10 क्या आएगा? ट्रिपलेट. हाइपोटेनिस 26.
26. Yes, sir.
जैसे 24 का स्क्वायर 576 होता है और 26 का स्क्वायर 676 होता है. तो 24 और 10 तो 26 आएगा स्लैंट हाइट. स्लैंट हाइट आ गया 26. तो इसका क्या बनाना है? कर्व बनाना है कि टोटल बनाना है? कॉस्ट ऑफ कैनवस रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक इट टेंट. टेंट जब भी बनाएंगे तो कर्व ही होगा, है ना धोनी? बेस तो खुला ही रहता है ना टेंट का, है ना धोनी? गलत तो नहीं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो पाई आर एल, पाई पाई आर पाई आर मतलब 22 एल 26 आ रहा है ना. आर एल अच्छा डेसिमल में फिर आएगा. मैं क्या जानू मेरे ख्याल से. अच्छा नहीं, 70 कट जाएगा ना. 70 कट जाएगा. ठीक ठीक ठीक. तो 20 समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? 22
Yes, sir.
22,
70 and yes, sir.
10 into 24 into 26.
Sir,
220 into 24 into 26, if I'm wrong or not wrong. Two 20 into 24 into 26.
so 22 by 7 into 24 into 26.
Into in
So
70.
into 70, yes,
तो
sir.
वो इसलिए
So
70
that
और
will be
7 का
13728 by 7, sir. Into 70.
how decimal आपका 20.
No, sir, it won't come in decimal.
हाँ हाँ 22 into 24 into 26 into 10 वो आपका आंसर है.
137280, sir.
ओके. फिर ये आ गया टर्पोलिन. You will not believe that day I googled what is tarpaulin. Then I okay fine. With tent and all the cloth what they use, that kind of cloth.
Yes, sir.
Movies and all. What length of tarpaulin? 3 meter wide. 3 meter wide. अच्छा बताओ अच्छा तो रेक्टेंगल का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करना है. Will be required. अच्छा लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ तो ब्रेथ दे दिया आपको 3. लेंथ निकालना है आपको. मेक इट कोनिकल टेंट. और हाइट 8 दिया है. बेस रेडियस 6 दिया. हाइट 8 होगा रेडियस 6 होगा तो स्लैंट हाइट क्या होगा धोनी फास्ट.
Sir, 10.
वेरी गुड धोनी. तो 10 आ गया. इससे अपन क्या निकालेंगे कर्व सरफेस एरिया निकालेंगे. कर्व सरफेस एरिया
So 22 by. So I'll
एज्यूमिंग.
come in decimals.
हाँ उसमें ये बोल रहा है कि एज्यूम दैट द एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल that will be required for stitching margin and wastage is approximately 20. मतलब 20 सेंटीमीटर तो आपका बर्बाद हो जाएगा. तो जो भी आपका कर्व सरफेस एरिया है उसमें 20 ऐड कर देना आप. यही मतलब हुआ ना तो नहीं
Uh,
समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ.
yes, sir.
तो पाई पाई हो यहाँ पाई बोल रहा है 3.14 लेना. पाई आर. आर है आपका. आर
6.
है 6 और एल होगा आपका 10.
10.
पाई.
So the CSA will be 188.4 meters square.
हाँ नहीं आर क्यों लिखा हुआ है. आर है आपका 8 ना.
So R is 6.
आर इज 6 और स्लैंट हाइट है आपका 10. तो 6 की जगह और आर में कुछ लगा. इसमें 20 ऐड कर दूंगा ना धोनी. 20 है ना. 20 ऐड कर दूंगा धोनी.
Yes, sir.
मीटर. अरे रे रे धोनी सी यहाँ पे हमने जो निकाला ये मीटर में निकला है. और ये 20 सेंटीमीटर आपका वो है सेंटीमीटर में. एक मिनट धोनी मैं कोई गलत कर रहा हूँ. सो आई एम वेरी सॉरी. यहाँ सेंटीमीटर में दिया हमारा जो वैल्यू आएगा तो एरिया आएगा उसमें आएगा ना. स्क्वायर में आएगा ना. ये तो सेंटीमीटर में दिया है. एज्यूम दैट द एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल. अच्छा लेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल दैट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर स्टिचिंग मार्जिन वेस्टेज इज अप्रोक्सीमेट. अच्छा
So first, L is 10. The CSA will be 188.4. And then we can just let the length of the tarpaulin sheet be capital L. If we do that, then it's given in centimeters. So it'll be L minus 0.2 meter.
अच्छा ओके फाइन.
So the breadth is given. So the area will be the CSA. So capital L minus 0.2 into 3 is equal to 188.4.
एक मिनट. तो इसमें वाइड दिया है आपका 3 मीटर है. यहाँ 3 मीटर और ये जो भी होगा आपका एल उसमें से 0.2 सेंटीमीटर बर्बाद हो जाएगा आपको. तो ये हो जाएगा ये. विल राइट लाइक दिस 3 इंटू एल माइनस 0.2. करेक्ट ना.
Sir, L minus 0.2 into 3, yeah,
Yeah.
is equal to 188.4. So
ये
L minus
कट गया.
0.2
हाँ
is 62.8.
ये हो
So
गया.
L will be 63.
तो ये हो गया 8. ये हो गया 62.8 या 3 मीटर.
63 meter, yes, sir.
The slant height and the base diameter of conical dome are 25 and the diameter दिया आपको 14, तो 7 हो गया। 25 7 हो तो हाइट क्या होगा दोनों?
Sir, height will be 25.
25 तो दोनों स्लैंट हाइट है,
This
25।
stand height, yes, sir.
हाँ, 7 हो गया आपका रेडियस, तो आपका हाइट क्या होगा? 7 आपका हाइट होगा कितना? 24 होगा। 24 576 प्लस 49 625, तो आपका हाइट होगा 24 दोनों। आप समझ पा रहे हो पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट? 24 7 25। नहीं आ रहा धोनी आपको समझ में क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
No, sir, I
जरूरत ही
got
नहीं
it.
है। अच्छा नहीं आपको जरूरत नहीं है, सॉरी धोनी। तो यू डोंट रिक्वायर बिकॉज दे आर टॉप।
The CSA will be pi
या
RL, so we already have that.
हाँ
Sir.
या ओके ओके सॉरी। सो फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ व्हाइट वॉशिंग कर्व सरफेस एट द रेट ऑफ 210 मीटर पर 100 मीटर स्क्वायर। तो जो
Sir, so the CSA will be
डिवाइड बाय
550
100
meters
इनटू
square.
200। या ये
210 into 550 by 100.
या जो भी सीएसए आए डिवाइड बाय 100 इनटू 210।
So 1155.
ओके, सीएसए इनटू 2.1 आपका आंसर।
Yes, sir.
So a joker cap is in the form of right circular cone of a base radius 7 centimeter, height 24। अच्छा अब यहाँ काम आ गया दोनों। 24 और 7 हो तो क्या होगा आपका स्लैंट हाइट?
Slant height 25.
हाँ 25 आ गया। फिर अब बस अपने को पाई आर एल इंटू 10 करना है।
So yes, sir. So it will be
पाई
22 by 7
22
into 7
22
into
कट गया,
25.
तो 22 इंटू 25 इंटू 10, तो 22
So 5,500
इंटू 10। हाँ
centimeters square.
करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of road, अच्छा, by using 50 hollow cones of recycled cardboard। अच्छा हाँ, तो दिखते हैं हम लोग रोड पे, ठीक है। ईच कोन हैज अ बेस डायमीटर 40 दिया है, तो रेडियस 40 है और हाइट है आपका 100, ठीक है। मीटर भी निकालना है क्या? ओ माय गॉड। सो रेडियस हो जाएगा आपका 0.2 और हाइट है 1। अच्छा, outer side of each part of cone is to painted and the cost of painting is 12 rupees per meter। What is the cost? Simple, unnecessary, too much calculation करना है। तो एक कोन का पाई ये आपको दिया हुआ धोनी,
Pi RL.
पाई आर एल, तो एल निकालना है अपने को। आपका आर है आपका
So I used the Pythagoras theorem. उसमें आएगा L will be 1.02.
आएगा तो प्योर हिंदी सॉरी हाँ, बस ही आ गई आपकी हिंदी सुन के। तो रेडियस है आपका 0.2 और हाइट है आपका 1, तो अंडर रूट ऑफ 1
1.02.
1.04 का अंडर रूट 0.02 आपका आएगा। यो एल इज 1.02 पाई आर एल। सो पाई हो गया 22/7, आर होगा आपका 0.2 है ना, तो 1/0.2 मतलब 1/5, 22/7 इंटू 1/5 इंटू 1.02, उसको फिर विल मल्टीप्लाई विद 50 इंटू 12 बिकॉज 50
Okay, sir.
कोन्स आर देयर। आप लोग घर में भी हिंदी से बात नहीं करते हो, धोनी इंग्लिश में बात करते हो घर में भी?
No, sir. We speak Hindi only.
अच्छा
मेरी दादी को English नहीं आती तो.
अच्छा अच्छा। आपके पापा मम्मी सब लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे इंग्लिश में।
Yes, sir.
बढ़िया।
Sir, I'm getting the answer in decimals again.
अरे यार डेसिमल्स, आई रियली हेट डेसिमल्स यार। दिस they why they give this pi as 3.14? You took pi as 3.14, I hope so।
Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ, वो 22/7 नहीं लेना, ठीक है। तो
3.14 only.
3.14 इंटू 1/5 इंटू इंटू 1.02 इंटू 50 इंटू 12। 50 इंटू 12 कर दो 600, 600 इंटू 3.14 कर दो, 314 into 6 into 1.02 कर दो. 314 into 6 into 1.02. Unnecessary calculation.
Sir, I'm getting rupees 384.34 approximately. Before it was 336, so I just rounded it off to 334.
Rupees में आ रहा है, final answer you're telling.
Yeah, rupees 384.34.
384.34. ठीक है धोनी, इतना करते हैं. ये स्पेयर अपन नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे.
Okay, sir.
फॉर्मूला क्या होता है वॉल्यूम का?
Sphere wall. Sir, volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube.
ठीक है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर
2 by 3 pi r square.
2/3 pi r cube धोनी.
Cube, okay, yeah.
हाँ. और कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर 2 pi r square. टोटल सरफेस एरिया 3 pi r.
3 pi r square, yes, sir.
And curve surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square.
Yes, sir.
Dhoni, tomorrow I got full day training for aptitude. So is that okay? We'll do Monday that heroine, that Euclid theorem.
Yes, no problem, because we're going to start with lines and angles. So
Okay.
In school, so that's okay.
Okay,
So we finish that.
Okay, Dhoni.
Okay.
Go on Monday.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Dhoni. Take care. Dhoni. Yeah, so guys, I hope you have liked this session. So we covered the concept of cylinder and the cone in this class. So you can practice these questions. We have focused only on the NCERT problems of cylinder and cones for this chapter, volume and the surface area. Okay, so it's time to wind up the class. Thank you everyone. I'll see you all in next class. Take care. Bye.